Hey friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Kids. So today we are going to see some more brain boosting, brain development and brain teaser activities for kids. So let's get started. So this is the first worksheet of brain development activities wherein as you can see here there are some pictures which is given on the left hand side and the kid need to copy the same picture on the right hand side. So for example, as you can see there are some pictures which have different colors and different shapes. So what the kid need to do that you can give any colors like whatever the color they like, you can use that colors and make some pictures, right? And what the kid will do, they will take the same color whatever you have drawn, they will just copy the same way and draw the same picture on the right hand side. This will make the kid color coordination as well as the brain coordination very improve. So this is the way that they need to complete the worksheet. Now this is the next worksheet of brain development activity where the kid need to match it and complete the worksheet. So what the kid need to do here, as you can see I have given some of the emotions with the different colors and different shape as well as I have used. So what the kid need to do, they need to find the same emotion and they need to match it. That means they need to find the same emotion partner, like whatever the partner, like there, if there is a smiley on the top, you can see there is a black color smiley I have given. So they need to find that same emotion, smiley emotion, even if it is in different color or different shape, they need to find the same emotion and they need to match the partner. Same way they will complete all the worksheet and they need to complete it. Now this is the third worksheet of brain development activities. So here what the kid need to do, that they need to draw the shapes without touching. Like suppose as you can see here I have given one example as well. So there is a square. So what the kid will do, they will make a square, same square, but they don't need to touch the previous one. Like the first square which I have made or what you will make, they don't need to touch it and they will make the same picture one upon one and they need to completely, like square I have done, same way I have given triangle, so they will make triangle, like it's bigger than bigger and then bigger. So how many they want to make, they can make it. So this will really improve for their like hand coordination and pencil control. So they can do this with the colors or with the sketch pens, whatever they like, and they need to complete the worksheet. Now this is the fourth worksheet of brain development activity where the kid need to analyze the picture and they need to draw on the right hand side. So as you can see here I have given some of the pictures and they need to find which picture will come on the space given below and like which type of it. Like as you can see here I have given in the blue color there is a picture which is in a square, then there is a square which have a slanting line, then again there is a triangle. So what will come next? So kid will understand, okay, there was a square, the another square also came, but there is a slanting line on it. Same way the kid needs to be understanding, like there is a triangle, so again the triangle will come, but inside that there will be a slanting line, same as it is in first one. So same way I will give you one more example. So as you can see on the second one, there is an orange color rectangle which I have made. So there is a rectangle, then there is a rectangle which have in a center there is a sleeping line and there is a slanting line downside. So same way if there is a circle, so what will come next? So they will make a circle and they will make it half, like they will make in the half of the circle sleeping line, and in the downside as it is in the first rectangle shape, they will make a down slanting line and they will complete the worksheet. So here what the kid need to understand, what the picture is there and what they need to do to analyze the picture, they need to think like that and they need to complete the worksheet. Now this is the fifth worksheet of brain development activities where the kid need to match and add the pattern. So here as you can see I have given some of the images or pattern you may say, where the kid need to add that and make a meaningful picture, you may say. Like as you can see here I have given a first picture where there is a square, there is a circle and there is a triangle and there is a add mark like plus mark. So what the kid need to do, they will make this picture on the right hand side and complete the full picture while adding all the pattern what is given to add. Like here square is there, so they will make a first square, so then circle is there. So what they will do, they will make a circle inside the square, and again they have to add what they have to add, they have to add a triangle. So what they will do, inside the circle they will make a triangle. So this will complete a picture. Same way let's take another example. There is a flower, the second one which is in pink color, there is a flower, there is a standing line and there is a leaves. So what the kid will do, they will make a flower first, then they will add a standing line as a stem of the flower and they will make a leaf. So it will make a complete picture. Let's go on a third example. There is a circle, there is some rays coming out and then there is eye and there is a smiley face. So what they will do, they will first go and make the circle which is in red color. Then they will make the rays on it. Then they will add eye, and then last is smiley. So this complete picture will make a sun. So same way they will complete, like they need to match it like fully. They need to understand, and they will add the pattern, and they will make a complete picture, and same way they need to complete full worksheet. Now this is the last worksheet of brain development activity, which is a code break activity, wherein what the kid need to do, that there are some of the direction which I have given. See, as you can see here, is it upward direction, downward, right side direction, turning side, upward direction, as well as left side direction. So what the kid need to do, that they, as you can see, I have given every direction have a color code. Like for blue, like for upward direction it is in blue color, for downward direction it is an orange color, for right hand side direction it is in purple color, and for pink color, for turning upside it is for pink, and for left side it is for green. So here I have given some of the like direction with different colors to make them little bit tricky. So what I did, I use the colors, but they are in same colors but it is in different direction. So what the kid will understand, they will see the direction. They will not see the color. They need to see the direction, understand the direction, and whatever the directions code is there, they need to color and make a circle under the direction. Like first you can see, I have made all the direction in orange color. But here the kid will not see the orange color. Like the kid need to check which direction I have given. Like if first one is the downward direction. For downward direction, which color code is there? Orange color. So they will make a orange color circle, and like they can color it, or just they can make a orange color circle. Same way there is second one is, if the direction is showing on the right hand side. So right direction is for which color? It is for purple color. So they will color the purple or circle it purple. Same way, whatever the direction is given and whatever the code of the direction is there, they need to find and they need to make a circle, or they can just color it the circle and complete the worksheet. That's all for today's videos, friend. I hope it will be helpful for your kid. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have some comment or query, do comment me in the comment box. Thank you.